Yes, we have the third question. The price of a book is 4 rupees more than the price of a pen. The price of a pencil is 2 rupees less than the price of the pen. Total price of 5 books, 2 pens and 3 pencils is 74 rupees. What is the price of each? See, instead of saying the price of one book or one pencil or one pen, what is they saying? The price of 4 book is 4 rupees, the price of book is 4 rupees more than the price of a pen. The price of a pencil is 2 rupees less than the price of the pen. Okay, now let's see I hope you have understood the question. See, now everything is depending on the price of the pen. What is the price of the pen? Price of the pen is not given to us. See, price of the book is depending on pen. The price of the book is how much? 4 rupees more than the price of the pen. Now, what is the price of the pencil? Yeah, pencil also. The price of the pencil is 2 rupees less than the price of the pen. Now, how we can see, since it is depending on pen, we can say let the price of pen is equal to x. Okay, you can give x or y or z or a or b. Usually we give as x. Okay, and the price of pen is equal to x. Now, what is the price of the book? Yeah, then the price of book is equal to, what is that? The price of book is 4 rupees more than the price of pen. So, what is the price of pen? X. 4 rupees more than the price of pen, which means x plus 4. Is it clear? Yes. Now, what is the price of pencil? Pencil is said what is still less. The price of the pencil is 2 rupees less than the price of pen. What is the price of pen? X. Now, what is the price of pencil? 2 rupees less. So, x minus 2. Okay. Now again more complicated things are given. Now what else is given? The total price is given. Total price of 5 books, 2 pens, 3 pencils is 74 rupees. Okay. Now what is the price of 5 books? Now we have written 1. Okay. The price of 1 pen or price of 1 book. Now the price of what is given? The price of 5 books. 5 books. 1 book is how much? X plus 4. Okay. Now the price of 5 books is how much? 5 into x plus 4. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Is there any doubt? No. Because the price of 1 book is x plus 4. Therefore, price of 5 book is equal to 5 into x plus 4. Alright. If you can, one example I can say, if the price of 1 book is equal to 6 rupees, what is the price of 5 books? 5 into 6. Is it clear? Okay. So, same way. Now, next question, what is given? 2 pens. Okay, 2 pens. The price of 2 pens. Okay. What is the price of 1 pen? 1 pen is x rupees. 2 pen is 2 into x. Okay. Now what is the price of 3 pencil? Okay, 3 pencil. 3 pencil is equal to, what is the price of 1 pencil? X minus 2. 3 pencil means 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Now what else is given? Are we getting confused? Are we getting confused? No. Okay. Now the total price is given. The 5 books, 2 pens, 3 pencils. Okay. When they bought together, how much money they had to give? 74 rupees. Okay. How will you write? Yeah. Total price is equal to 74 rupees. Right? Yes, it is 74 rupees. How will you get that one? 5 books. That is 5 into x plus 4 plus 2x plus 3 into x minus 2, that is equal to 74. Okay? Yeah. Now you have to multiply each of the 10. Okay. This 5 into x plus 2 is 110. 2x is 110. 3 into x minus 2 is another 10. So now you have to multiply 5 into x, 5 into 4. Here it is already multiplied. 3 into x, 3 into 2. Okay? 5 into x, 5x. Plus 5 into 4, 20. Plus 2 into x, 2x. Plus 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Keep in mind, plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 74. Okay. Now, the terms with the x. 5x plus 2x, 7x. 7x plus 3x, 10x. Now, plus 20 minus 6. How much? Plus 20 minus 6 plus 14 is equal to 74. Alright. Now 10x is equal to, now this 14 constant I am taking to the other side, 74 minus 14. That is equal to how much? 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 divided by 10. That is equal to 6. Okay? You will get 6. X is equal to 6. So now what we can find out? Yeah. Look here. Now x is equal to 6. What is x? Yeah. Price of 1 penny is equal to x z. That is equal to 6. Now book. One book. How much we said? X plus 4. That is equal to 6 plus 4. That is 10. Next, one pencil. That is equal to x minus 2z. That is 6 minus 2. That is equal to 4. Alright, we got the price of one pen, one book, one pencil. Now we have to check whether it is correct or not. What was the total price? 74. Okay, now to check whether it is correct or not. Let us look here. How many were there? Yeah, how many books were there? 5 books. What is the price of one book? 5 into 10 plus 2 pen. 2 into 6 plus 3 pencil. Okay? 3 into 4. 5 into 10 is equal to 15. 2 into 6, 12. Plus 3 into 4, 12. That is equal to 74. So how many rupees? Total was 72. 74 rupees. Okay.